Now in this example, I'd like you to pause the video and come up with the solution on your own. This data set deals with test grades. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is check and see if the numbers are in order from least to greatest. In this case, they are not. So we need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, which would be 60, 70, 72, 80, 95, 100, and 105. Alright, so in our data set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers given originally. So when we put them in order from least to greatest, let's make sure we have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so the first thing we need to find is the median. The median is the middle number. So the middle number for this data set, we can look at this and tell that 80 would be the middle number. Let's check and see if we have the correct middle number. Keep in mind that's 7 numbers, so 7 is an odd number. So that means that we'll have one number in the middle for the median. So the median is 80. Let's check and see if the median is correct. We should have the same amount of numbers to the left of the 80 and the same amount of numbers to the right. 1, 2, 3 numbers to the left of the 80 and 1, 2, 3 numbers to the right. So the median is 80. So the median is 80. Let's put a point where that would be on the number line right above the 80. The lower extreme is the smallest number given in the data set, which is 60. Right. And we put a point over 60 on the number line. The lower quartile would be the median for the lower half of the data. The lower half of the data are all the numbers to the left of the 80. So which is the 60, 70, and 72. We need the middle number for those, which is the 70. That's our lower quartile. So let's put 70 here. And for the upper quartile, that's our median for the upper half of the data. The upper half of the data are the numbers to the right of the median, which is 80. So the numbers to the right of the 80 are 95, 100, and 105. The middle number is 100. So the upper quartile is 100. And the upper extreme is the largest number that's given in the data set, which is 105. So now let's draw a box around the 3 numbers in the middle. And the point that's on the inside of the box that represents our median. And we draw a line from the top of the box all the way down to the bottom. And then connect the last 2 points for the whiskers. As you can see, as compared to the other examples, this box and whisker plot, it stretches out more. The box is larger. So that means that the data is more spread out. Alright, this will be the last example for today. In this example, we're going to look at classwork grades. Alright, so at this point, pause the video and see if you can come up with a solution. So the first thing we need to do is let's look and see if the numbers are in order from least to greatest. And in this case, they are. The numbers are already in order from least to greatest. So let's count and see how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers in all, so the first thing we need to do is find the median. So since 10 is an even number, we know that we can split the numbers in half, 5 on one side and 5 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So my median is in between the 92 and the 96. So now I need to add those 2 numbers up and then divide by 2. So if I add up 92 plus 96, that gives me a total of 188. And 188 divided by 2 gives me 94. So the median is 94. So 94 is right before you get to 95 on the number line. So now I need the lower extreme, which is the median for the lower half of the data. My lower half of the data would be the numbers to the left of my median, which is the line I drew right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 numbers to the left. So I need the median, the middle number for those 5 numbers, which is the 86. that represents my actually lower quartile. Not lower extreme, that's my lower quartile, which is the 86. Now let's look at the lower extreme. The lower extreme would be the number, the smallest number that's given, which is the 80. So let's plot those 3 points. So lower extreme is 80. And my lower quartile is 86, right? A little bit past the 85. Let's look at the upper quartile. For the upper quartile, I'm looking at the median for the numbers of the upper half of my data, which is 96, 98, 100, 102, and 105. All the numbers to the right of my median. So the middle number for the upper half would be 100, which is my upper quartile. So my upper quartile is 100. And for the upper extreme, the largest number that's given in the data set, which is 105. So let's plot the other two numbers. The upper quartile, which is 100, and the upper extreme, which is 105. So let's draw a box around the 3 points in the middle, and then for my median, that's on the inside of the box. And just connect the last 2 points. Hopefully this lesson was helpful, and see you next week.